Good evening, everybody. Fayman Steve here once again. It is Sunday, January 12th, 2025. This will be the very first fan video to sort of start off the new year. I bet you all remember this one. This is a Lasko, Franken fan, a Lasko 3733 fan from 1995 with a 2015 motor and blade in it. This fan is rather special to me because technically the very first video that I ever recorded, which was the 2015 Lasko 20-inch box fan unboxing, was the motor and the blade that came from that same very fan. And I got this from an old friend a couple of years ago. It actually came with the original motor and the blade. The motor was burned out, and really wasn't anything I could do to get it running again. So I just kind of salvaged this out of the other 33 that I had, and I just retrofitted onto this one. As you can see, it is in pieces, and it's seen its wilder days. Technically, this has been sitting probably for the last year now. It's been quite a while now. The blade is just sitting in the fan there, as you can see. And the power cord, I don't think that I did a very good job of splicing this, or maybe it just the shrink tubing that I used wasn't very efficient, because that thing just jerked right off, and this literally shorted in my face, and you can see the burn mark there from where it shorted. I have done nothing to this since I put it up after the accident. I did try to reinstall the cord, and I learned that if these wires meet in a certain way, the cord is useless. It's dead. But I'm just gonna see if I can try to just put another cord on this and see if this thing will have a chance at life again. I don't think it would have had any effect on the motor, so I honestly don't see why not. So it just needs to be revived and brought back up to its feet again. I've had some good times with this. I repainted it like a Halsey Rust-Oleum blue, and I painted the motor like a metallic Rust-Oleum blue. This thing has not drawn power in quite a while, so if I do manage to get this working again, of course I'll just do a servicing with it, and maybe I'll be using this through off and on throughout the winter season. Oddly enough, the performance on this thing really isn't that much different. If anything, not any better than than the original shell that this came off of, which is kind of odd because the modern 3733s just have the double slats in the grill. But anyway, the performance on this is just completely different than what it would be in its original casing for some reason or another. Um, I do intend to maybe find like a another blade and motor for this one day that would be legitly to this. Maybe a Marco motor in the blade if possible. And it's a good thing that I held on to this when I did because um, I was never really big on these Lasko box fans like this. If anything, I probably was even bigger on the later 90s 3733s. I guess due to memory and whatnot. But anyway, yeah, these are getting harder to find, and I really have not. I just don't see too much of these around anymore. If not, I just hardly don't ever see them at all. So um, I definitely hope to keep this around for a long time because it's still in really good shape. Everything to it is still original. Um, Handle and the knob came off of the 2015 3733. So, and I just always loved the way the Lasco emblem looked. That's definitely sadly a thing of the past. You just don't see that anymore. So, just fun to look at. There's the holes on the side for mounting on the stand. Even though I can't say that I've ever seen one of these that was on a stand, but who knows? I've seen the Air King box fans with a stand, but never a Lasco. So it's gonna need some work. Um, Maybe I can just resplice that cord and try to do it with better material if I could find it. If I can get it to working again, then great. It'll get to use again. If not, then oh well, it is what it is. It'll sit until I can find another motor and a blade for it. I'll do it all in due time, but I'm certain that I can get it to working again. So this is pretty much what started it all for me. So um, it's 2025 now, so this pretty much marks like a 10-year anniversary. Even though I think it was in July that year when I recorded that video. So technically, this thing is 30 years old, and the fan in this is going on about 10. So time flies, man. I'm telling you. The older that we get, the faster time winds up. So there you have it, everybody. There is the very first fan video of 2025. Gonna be getting a fixer up video on this. Basically, all I'll have to do is to just put another cord on it, get it cleaned up, get it serviced, and get it back up on its feet again and get it going. Well, that'll do it for now. I hope that you all have enjoyed, and more to come, and stay tuned. Over and out.